Hello friends, welcome to CareerClust Learning. Today we are going to discuss about most important and powerful concept, that is AI agents. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please share your thoughts by commenting. If you are looking for a job, we have very good collection of jobs in our application, that is CareerClust.com. Please open the website and add it as a PWA on your mobile. Let's get started. What are AI agents? An AI agent is an intelligent software system that can understand a goal, make decisions, plan steps, use tools, execute tasks, learn from the results, and deliver the final output. Unlike a normal AI chatbot that simply answers questions, an AI agent can take actions and complete tasks autonomously. So some simple example you can understand, like in traditional AI, like so a user can give a prompt like create a YouTube video about AI news, and the AI, what it will do, it will provide some script to that and the task ends. And coming to AI agent, so if you give a task like create a YouTube video about today's top AI news, it involves the AI agents searches latest AI news and selects top 5 stories, create a script, generate voiceover, create images, creates animations, generates subtitles, creates thumbnails, and uploads video on YouTube. Task completely automatically. This is a task of an AI agent. I hope you understand what is a traditional AI and an AI agent. In simple words, LLMs that can think, plan, and act autonomously. So what it will do? It observes, that is, perceive the environment, and it think, reason and plan next steps, act, execute actions with the tools. So some process involved here, like it is goal oriented, autonomous, tool using, planning, reasoning, and multi-step process. How AI agent works? The reasoning loop, that is perceive, plan, execute, observe, and repeat. This is the loop. The first step is perceive. In perceive, receives input from environment, that is user messages, API responses, or file contents, sensor data. And step 2 is plan. So in plan step, it analyzes the situation, break down goals into subtasks, decide which tools to use, and execute. In execute, call tools, write code, search the web, interact with APIs to complete the action, observe results, like evaluate the outcome. Did the action succeed? What changed in the environment? And step 5 is repeat. Look back with a new context until the goal is achieved or the task is completed. It is a continuous loop until the goal is achieved. Types of AI agents. So different architecture for different needs. So there are few types of AI agents, that is React agent, re and act, React agents. So it means reason plus act pattern. So interleave thinking with the tool use in a single step. So how it works? Chain of thought reasoning, immediate tool execution, and most common pattern. Plan and execute is another type of AI agents. So how it will work? Create a full plan first, then execute each step sequentially. So upfront planning, step-by-step execution, and good for complex tasks. Third type is multi-agent systems. In multi-agent systems, multiple specialized agents collaborating to solve a problem together, like agent specialization, inter-agent communication, divide and conquer. And another type is autonomous agents. So in autonomous agents, self-directed agents that set their own goals and operate independently. Some examples are self-prompting, long-running tasks, and minimal human oversight. So in simple words, how many types are there? Like React agents, plan and execute agents, multi-agent systems, autonomous agents. Agent tool use. How agents extend their capabilities with external tools. So there are some tools in the agent workflow. How tools calling works. So LLM decides tool needed. So which tool to be used is decided by LLM. Then generates functional call. Then tool executes. Result feedback to LLM. These are the 4 steps involved. So LLM decides tool needed and generate function call. Tool executes and finally the result feedback to LLM. So how it makes this work? Web search. Okay. In web search, search the internet for real-time information and data like Google Search API or Tavily or Bing Search. And code execution. Write, run and debug code in sandbox environments like Python, JavaScript sandbox or shell commands. And another type is API calls. Interact with external services and data sources like REST APIs, GraphQL or webhooks. File operations. So in file operations, it read, write, create and modify the files on the system. So it read docs, write code, parse PDFs. And another one is database queries. In database queries, query and manipulate data in databases like SQL queries, vector search and CRUD operations. And finally the calculations. Perform complex math and data analysis. In this, Wolfram Alpha, NumPy and statistics are used. These are some tools we use in agents like web search, code execution, API calls, file operations, database queries, calculations. So memory systems in AI agents. So it means how agents remember, learn and maintain context. This is very important. So in agent core, it can be short term, long term or external storage. So if it is a short term, it agent core and long term some external storage. Short term memory, this is a conversation context. So in short term memory, current conversation history and immediate context window limited by token count. So examples are chart history, current session state and token limited. Long term memory, it is a kind of vector database. So persistent storage using embeddings, retrieve relevant past experiences via semantic search. So to get the data from embeddings, it is a semantic search. Means we will get the data with the nearest meaning of it. It uses vector DB storage, semantic retrieval, and persistent across sessions. And episodic memory, this is another type of memory we use. It means past experiences. Records of previous task execution, successes, and failures the agent can learn from. So it includes task outcomes, error patterns, and strategy refinement. And another important one is working memory. This is active scratchpad. This is a temporary structured storage for current tasks, plans, intermediate results, and nodes. So what it includes? Current plan, intermediate results, and task scope. These are some kinds of memory used by AI agents. They are short-term memory, long-term memory, episodic memory, and working memory. Agent framework. So in agent framework, how it works? Popular tools for building AI agents in 2024 or 2025. So there are so many tools to create the agents. We can discuss a few here and in detail in data. LangChain agents. So in LangChain, most popular framework for building LLM agents with the tool use and chains. Okay. It uses rich tool ecosystem, LCEL expressions, and Langra for stateful flows. And another type of AI creating tool is Crew AI. In Crew AI, multi-agent orchestration framework with role-based agent collaboration. So how it works? Role-based agents, task delegation, and agent collaboration. And another type is AutoGen. So AutoGen is a Microsoft framework for building multi-agent conversational systems. What it includes? Conversational agents, code execution, and group chat patterns. OpenAI Assistant APIs. So it is another type. Built-in agent capabilities with file search, code interpreter, and function calling. So how it works? Managed infrastructure, built-in tools, and thread management. Another type is Amazon Bedrock agents. Amazon Bedrock agents are fully managed agents with knowledge bases, action groups, and guardrails. So it includes AWS integration, knowledge bases, and enterprise guardrails. Another type is semantic kernel. It is Microsoft SDK for integrating AI into apps with plugins and planners. What it includes? Enterprise ready, .NET and Python supported, and plugin architecture. So here we learned about what are the types of AI frameworks, that is LangChain agents, Crew AI, AutoGen, OpenAI Assistant APIs, and Amazon Bedrock agents and semantic kernel. Some real world examples. So AI agents in production today. First example is Devin. It is a coding agent, autonomous software engineer that can plan, code, debug, and deploy full application. So as we learn, what is an agent? So agent will complete a task from planning to the execution. So the Devin will take care of planning, code, debug, and deploy full application. And another agent is Perplexity. So it is a research agent, AI-powered research assistant that searches, synthesizes, and cites sources in real time. Another type is customer support bots. In customer support bots, it is service agent. So it handles inquiries, access knowledge bases, escalate issues, and resolve tickets autonomously. And another example is data analysis agent. It is analytics agent. It query databases, generate visualization, find insights, and create reports automatically. And another important one is travel planners. So these are called as planning agents. How it works? Research destinations, compare prices, book flights and hotels, and create itineraries. Another important type is GitHub Copilot workspaces. That is Dev agent. It understands issues, propose plans, implement changes across multiple files in report. Thousands of agents being built daily across every industry. So according to the recent communication from the data, that is TCS, they are working on creating 5 lakhs AI agents across all their domains. So this is an example. You can see how the AI agents are working in the industry. And future of AI agents, where agentic AI is heading in 2025 or 2026 and beyond. So some future enhancements will be multi-agent orchestration. So it deals about teams of specialized agents collaborating on complex problems. So it means multi-agents will collaborate and complete a complex task. Another one is tool augmented reasoning. Agents that build and deserve their own tools dynamically. Persistent agent memory. Agents that learn and improve from every interaction over time itself. Agent to agent protocols. So standardized communication between agents from different systems. Safety and alignment. In safety and alignment, guardrails, sandboxing, and human oversight for autonomous agents. Steps towards AGI. So AGI means This is an advanced topic, artificial general intelligence. So increasing general agents that handles broader task categories. So the age of AI agents has just begun. So what we discussed today, an AI agent is an intelligent software assistant that doesn't just answer questions. It can think, plan, use tools, and complete tasks automatically. For video creation, an AI agent can research topics, write scripts, generate voiceover, create images and thumbnails, edit videos, and even upload them into the YouTube with minimal human involvement. So, this is full power of an AI agent. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Share your thoughts by commenting in the comment section.